Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Maria from Crochet Fashion, and today you will see how to crochet amazing pattern in headband. I will work in rounds. For work I will use crochet hook 4.5 millimeters. Let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet the pattern. I will begin from the foundation chain. Make a chain of 76. So you should make any amount of chains, multiples of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on till you will get 76 chains in the foundation chain. So you should crochet a little bit loosely. Continue working with your own. 11, 12, 13, 14. Once I have done the foundation chain, and now I'm going to join my chain, you should check it shouldn't be twisted before the joining. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch, make a slip stitch. So my ring is ready. For me 76 is enough, in your case it could be more or less. Let's crochet the first round of my headband. Insert the hook into the second chain stitch. Insert the hook into the loop. Make a slip stitch. Here is my loop. One, two, three chains to bring up the yarn. Yarn over the hook. I insert the hook into this loop. Make double crochet like this. I skip the next chain stitch, then insert the hook into the loop. So make 1, 2, 3. I'm done 3 stitches, and make double crochet into the middle loop. Make double crochet. I skip the next chain stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, or this is the loop. 1, 2, and pull through 2 loops. Then double crochet into the middle loop. Let's repeat one more time. I skip the next stitch, insert the hook into the next loop, make chain of 2 and pull through 2 loops. Then double crochet into the middle thread. Here what I have. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. Make double crochet into the middle loop. My first round is ready. Let's complete it. Insert the hook into the third chain stitch on the beginning of this round by making a slip stitch like this. Next time I'm going to work with front and back loops. So insert the hook into the front loop, make slip stitch, chain of 3. To bring up the yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the back loop, make double crochet. Then I skip the next stitch, insert the hook into the front loop of the second stitch, make 1, 2 and make single crochet, yarn over the hook and double crochet into the stitch of the previous row. So pattern consists of 2 stitches and has 1 round. So I will repeat this row as many times as I need for my project. Let's repeat one more time. I skip the next stitch, insert the hook into the front loop of the second stitch, make chain of 2 and single crochet, yarn over the hook, work with back loop, make double crochet. So keep working in this way till the end of this round. Let's complete the second round. Insert the hook into the third chain stitch at the beginning of this round by making a slip stitch. Round 2 is ready. Let's crochet round 3. Insert the hook into the single crochet. I insert the hook into the front loop, make a slip stitch, 1, 2, 3 chains and double crochet, make into the back loop. Continue, skip the next stitch, work with the second stitch, work into the front loop, make 2 chains, 1, 2 and single crochet and double crochet into the back loop. It is very easy to make pattern. You can create headband or scarf or use this pattern for any part of the head. Work with the second stitch, make chain of 2 and single crochet and double crochet into the back loop. So keep working in this way as many times as you need for your project. Pattern consists of only 1 round. So you should repeat as many times as you need, as I told you before. My swatch is ready. It could be a brim part of the head, or it could be a headband or ear warmer. Let's complete the last round. The number of rounds it could be differently. Insert the hook into the third chain stitch at the beginning of this round by making a slip stitch. For more beautiful look, I'm going to work with trim for the top and for the bottom part of my band. Insert the hook into the stitch, make a slip stitch. You should crochet a little bit loosely. So, as you can see, I started from the top part. Here what I have. And you should make the slip stitches for the bottom part. Let's complete the last round. I have already cut off my yarn. Insert the hook into the first stitch, make a slip stitch, pull it, and using my crochet hook, I remove a long piece of yarn, grab the yarn and pull it through, and then you can use the sewing needle to remove all yarns along the stitches. And now I show you how to crochet the trim for the another part. Insert the hook into the any stitch and join the yarn, make a chain and make a slip stitch. Here what I have. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. Then you should complete this round with your own. So that's it, my project is ready. My headband is ready, or ear warmer. It could be perfect to create accessories for your hair. I remind you, my pattern consists of only one round and has 2 stitches. For this project you just need to get a ball of yarn and a crochet hook. I work it in rounds. I remind you, you can use both sides. And I remind you, each headband could be decorated with flower, bead or another accessories. Let's look at the front side again. And I remind you, all additional information about the tools and different kind of video tutorials in different techniques could be found in the description of each video tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel, follow me in social media, and of course crochet with me and learn more. Please write comment below this video what you will get with this video tutorial. For me it's very interesting. Or a bracelet. See you next time and bye!